Why ask me? Hello everyone, Callie Stormdoll here, and we're in the world of Mcfarlane Toys Avatar The Last Bender. So right here I have the Sokka figure. Sokka is a bull-headed, sarcastic teenager who believes that his way is the only way. He shows his strength and determination of a warrior, but lacks the experience and wisdom to use them efficiently. Sokka's personality is abrasive at times, but his loyalty and courage are steadfast. He holds grudges and has difficulty forgiving anyone who has done him or his sister, who has done harm to him or his sister. So he seems like he don't play no games. So this is the figure. So he seems like a very determined figure. I really was excited to get him. I really like his face sculpt. He looks like he has a very determined face sculpt. So we're gonna open him up and see what's inside. Alright, so we have Sokka figure out of his packaging. Now, the one thing about these figures is these are 5-inch figures. I don't want you guys to think that they're the 6-inch scales or anything like that. These are the 5-inch figures, and as you can see, Sokka does come with some articulation, some cool accessories, and it looks like some decent sculpts as well. So as you can see, Sokka's main accessory is this blue blee, and I believe he conjured this blee using his powers, which is the ability to control aqua. So that's really cool. Here's a look at his face sculpt for anyone who wanted to get a better look at that. I think Mcfarlane did a really good job on these face sculpts. It looks like they've jumped straight out of the cartoon on Nickelodeon. And you can see his weapon carrier is wood, and this is his blue uniform. Now, as far as the articulation goes, he does bend at the knee. As you can see, it's a tight little bend. He can kick out, he can kick forward, can't really kick back. So he can kick out like this and do a full split, but can't really kick back at all. It looks like he does have a waist swivel. Has articulation at the shoulders, one bend at the elbow, and nothing in the wrist. But something that does matter is it looks like he does have head articulation, so he can look this far up, can't really look too far down. But it's a cool figure, and I personally got it because I love the artistry and the style that went into it. I like when we get these sculpts of these characters that look like they jumped straight out of the cartoon. So like Sokka, and if you look at larger figures like Black Panther, they look just like their cartoon versions. So I want to thank you guys for watching today. If you're a fan of Avatar, this is something that you may be interested in. These are currently at Walmart and they're going for $9.99, but they will be discounted out if there's any left. These actually have been moving pretty fast. It took me a while to find this guy, but I believe they are also online at Walmart and most likely Amazon.com as well. If you're new to my channel, simply subscribe, like the video, and share the video as I'm trying to help my channel grow. And every time you like my video, it helps me out. I want to thank you guys for watching today, and I'll see you in the next one.
I worked so hard to get here. Pushing myself until it hurt. Training alone for hours. Anything to get stronger.